So we did have a great pump yesterday, and today it's looking a little bit redder. So it was a good opportunity to actually take some profits yesterday, but this wick went all the way down to like 96k. It flushed everyone out. But going into Trump's inauguration, I think people are very bullish. Just actually bought it out, and will it retest this triangle just to fly higher, or are we going to go lower to test the bottom of this range again at about 90,000 US dollars? Let's look at Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin dominance does matter, and it is wicking downwards. However, it was a lot lower beforehand, but we need this to roll over, and hopefully it has topped out. The other thing we need to start looking at is the Dixie. I'm very, very undisciplined when it comes to start looking at the US dollar, because the US dollar has been trending upwards for a while, and after the CPI print yesterday, it has turned down a little bit, which is very good. We need to get this to go lower for it to be a risk-off environment and for altcoins to go higher. That's just a matter of fact. If you look at the S&P as well, because we need to be disciplined in these markets and ensure we know what's going on. The S&P looks like it's topped out, man. I ain't gonna lie, unless it's gonna roll over, reset, and go higher into a crazy, crazy bull market for the S&P, which no one's expected, then currently it's not looking good, bruv. Let's look at altcoin season index. Altcoin season index is telling us that we're in 53, so we're just consolidating either for a major break upwards or downwards. We shall see. What about the fear and greed index? I think we're still in major greed, you know. Currently, I think we're still in 75 greed, bruh. That is not good. Even though Twitter's looking bullish as hell, you can't really be looking at Twitter when that's in greed, man. You cannot be looking at Twitter when that's in greed, man. Dominance topped, hopefully. Hopefully we've topped out. The door appears to be shrinking for good entries. Hopefully I will take profits this time. I will take profit. I was supposed to take some yesterday, bruh. Oh no. If you're young, single, and have no kids, this is the time to 100% lock in. This is the golden opportunity. Do not waste it. Are you connecting the dots? Create a bid as well, man. Create a bid is launching soon. When is it launching though? When the hell are we talking about Create a bid launching? When is it gonna launch? Like, genuinely, that's all I care about. Because I need to sell the news, bruh. When is it out? This guy knows a thing or two. Excuse me. Market caps are complete fugazi. All that matters is liquidity. That's a fact. Always look at liquidity. Liquidity determines price. The most important currency chart is the dominance chart. The chart is going to collapse below 55%. The rallying currencies will be crazy. Send it, man. I need some crazy rallies, bruh. Welcome to alt season 2025. I cannot believe I read this. While many the red part, the idea of an American first strategic reserve that would prioritize digital coins, founded like Solana, USD, Ripple. That is madness. Imagine Fartcoin getting a strategic reserve. Bruh, what world are we living in? That's how you know this whole bubble's gonna pop. Make sure you take profits. Liquidity is clearly and strongly moving towards currencies. Total 3. Next stop, 1.42 trill. Send it. If it's a slow cook, if it's not a slow cook, if it's a scam. If it pumps very quickly and it doesn't slow cook and it doesn't have a proper community, it's a scam. That's why I love Casper, man. It's slow cooking.
Get into it, and make sure to hit the follow button to stay up to date on all the latest crypto news. So, can XRP flip Ethereum? Well, it actually already did 7 years ago, back in January 2018, very briefly, when XRP hit all-time highs of $3.84. After this, XRP didn't really get a chance to pump because of the SEC lawsuit brought against Ripple, which Ripple then went on to win. But here's the kicker. Since pro-crypto president Donald Trump won the election back in November and promised to implement a pro-crypto SEC, essentially protecting Ripple and XRP, XRP has rallied for the first time in 7 years. It was sitting at 55 cents, but today it sits at $3.20. That's a 600% increase in just a few weeks, outperforming all major cryptocurrencies, including meme coins and, of course, including Ethereum. And in comparison to Ethereum, it hasn't really moved much since the election. Also, it's worth understanding what XRP is trying to do. It's trying to replace SWIFT as the international settlements network. And if successful, well then the sky's the limit. But I'm still extremely bullish on Ethereum. I think comparing the two blockchains is a little bit like comparing apples and oranges. They're doing two different things. Ethereum I like to consider digital oil, where the future of the internet will run on. Also, Ethereum has the ETH Spot ETF with hundreds of millions of dollars flowing into it daily. So I think it might be difficult for XRP to flip ETH, although not impossible. You should be holding both coins for this bull run.
Damn, XRP and Ethereum getting light of day. No way. Ethereum looks dead and XRP looks topped out. Damn, bro, I won't go near either. I'ma be real. Ain't worth the risk. It's not worth the risk, man. This is bullish, right? Ethereum is undervalued, right? It will reverse soon, right? Yeah, Ethereum's not moving, man. SEC approving altcoin ETF applications. Play it, bruh. Is this not gonna work? Who's a meme? Trump takes office in exactly 4 days, bruh. The price of Ethereum is actually dropping. You can't be serious. Who's selling? I can't lie, if Justin Sun's bullish on Ethereum, why are we bearish on it? I still won't go near it, bruh. Although, I don't trade leverage, but if I was a leverage trader, potentially. But then again, I won't touch leverage because it's too risky on that sort of asset. Fed Waller says 3 to 4 rate cuts are possible in 2025 if CPI trends lower. This is giga bullish. That is madness. If we get that, the market's going to price in some crazy Bitcoin prices. Litecoin ETF. Nah, you ain't getting that. If Solana's not getting one, Litecoin ain't getting one. Good morning, bulls. Trump is considering US-based crypto reserve. Sol and XRP are top of the list. He might send XRP to crazy numbers, man. When they tell you it's too late, that's when you know it's still early. Stay calm and have conviction. CZ, Binance. What has this brother not said though? Since he's been out of jail, he's been tweeting like crazy. Bitcoin bullish McD cross. Last 3 times, BTC pumped 20 to 50% within a few weeks. Let's wait a few weeks and see what's going on. Especially towards the end of January, it should go crazy, right? 16th today. I think in a couple of weeks' time, we should see some pumpies. Decentralization protocols will eat the world. The future is trustless. Those who get in early will benefit the most. Even Bitterly is saying that we're going to touch 97k. We hit 96. And then around the 17th, 18th, we break resistance of 100. Then continue. We're at 100 now, though. I'm sure we're at 100 now. Ethereum is pumping hard. It's not anymore. But I'm sure we're at 100k, right? It's got to be, I think. Yeah, look, we're at 100k. We are sitting at 100k. So his expectation might be happening quicker than we thought. And we might be on our way upwards. Retest this little blue line. And if we are, alt season might be just around the corner. But that needs to happen. It has to. If it doesn't, we might be cooked for a little while longer.